My name is Mark. I am a partner in the property litigation team. We are a 5-person strong team. We deal with all manner of property disputes, so landlord and tenant, developer disputes, anything really that crops up. I've been at the firm for 10 years, so yeah. So we are seeing a greater increase in disputes as a whole. So traditionally we've done a lot more of the advisory work, but because of the economic climate, we see a lot more flashpoints, certainly in the landlord and tenant sphere. So rent arrears issues and break situations. Contested breaks and lease renewals themselves are becoming more contentious. With development sites, we're seeing developers trying to unlock perhaps difficult sites, so there are a lot more issues that are coming to the fore to do that. So we are seeing a lot more issues with restricted covenants, for example, access rights and enforcing those. Those are probably the 2 areas that we've seen an increase in. Early collaboration is important. We, as I say, do a lot of the advisory work. So the earlier we get a client come to us with an issue, the better. So we are able to provide that advisory piece and potentially avoid litigation. So although we are a litigation department, that's not even half of what we do. We are more preventative, and if clients like Capital come to us early, then we are able to give that advice and hopefully avoid the expense of litigation. So early engagement on any issue is really important, and we find that Capital are forthcoming with issues before they sort of escalate to the point of litigation, which is key. I mean, ultimately it saves money because litigation is expensive. With Capital, we have a clear understanding of assets, objectives. We have an understanding of how Capital like to work. The pragmatism of Capital is really appreciated, certainly from a litigator's perspective, because a lot of emotion can come into litigation, which doesn't often help. The pragmatic approach by Capital is something that we have understood, and we are it's helpful because it avoids the sort of pitfalls of litigation, of which there are many. So we've got a good understanding of the approach that Capital has.